In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a particular GPT to grasp new concepts and to broaden your project management knowledge as quickly and as effectively as possible. Now, I do believe you do require access to the paid plan of ChatGPT in order to get access to this. Unfortunately, that's the price that we need to pay. That being said, and I believe that's around $20 a month, that being said, there's lots of different use cases for ChatGPT in project management, as I'm about to show you, so I really do personally believe it is worth it. Nevertheless, let's delve into this particular GPT and I can show you it in action and what I am kind of using it for. So I'm going to scroll down. It's currently in the education section, but you could always search up the top here. It's called the Universal Primer, and it's the fastest way to learn everything about anything is the description of this GPT. So if I open this up, and there's a reason why I like to use this particular custom GPT, and it's because it makes everything so simple, and it's got a very good ability to extract all of the core concepts of something that you want to learn more about. So I'll give you a quick example from a project management perspective. So as an example, we could say something like, I am a project manager. Please provide, you don't need to use please, but please provide actionable advice to help me be more productive on a day-to-day basis. So this is an example of the kind of prompt that it does very well with. So let's see what we get. So as you can see here, it breaks it up with analogies, which is really, really interesting, and then an action. So it just really helps us to understand these different aspects very, very clearly. So as an example, every morning, list your tasks, identify the big rocks, major tasks, and pebbles, smaller, often easier tasks. Prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Use tools like the Eisenhower box to categorize and prioritize tasks effectively. So this ChatGPT has a really good ability to kind of point us in the right direction for further research and also to explore new tools. As an example, if you haven't heard of the Eisenhower box before, I'll just quickly show you what that looks like. This is a simple exercise that can really help your productivity. So I'll just quickly show you this, maybe this one instead. It's not loading, but essentially it's a set of, as the name suggests, a box. There's 4 different boxes with urgent, not urgent, important, and not important, and it can show you essentially how to prioritize your tasks. So you basically can work out anything that you shouldn't be doing in the bottom right, anything that you can delegate, and anything which you should immediately focus on. So, or maybe put further back in the day. So really, really good little principle there. So yeah, there's loads of different things that we can do here and we can learn from. So that's a really, really good approach. I'm not going to delve into each and every single one of these, but we've got 7 different action points here on how we can boost our productivity. And I just feel like the Universal Primer puts it in a way that just makes it really understandable and really effective. Now, if I go back, I want to show you or do a new chat in the Universal Primer, just to show you another use case where this is really, really useful. So say you don't understand a particular terminology, or maybe there's something you're new to. So as an example, maybe you've heard of Prince 2, or maybe a particular methodology as an example. It could be, what is agile project management? That kind of question. You can plug that in and look what Universal Primer enables us to do. So first and foremost, it breaks out the acronym up front and center. So it's a structured project management method and practitioner certification program. So it is. It emphasizes dividing projects into manageable and controllable stages. Let's break it down in detail, and I'll incorporate some analogies to make the concepts more relatable. And that's what this custom GPT is all about. It provides a lot of analogies, but I just find that's a really, really good way to learn, and it helps us just to kind of project management can be really confusing. So this is just really, really useful. So having studied Prince 2, I'm a Prince 2 practitioner myself. From the outset, this looks really, really good. It's kind of really condensed a lot of the material into basically a high-level overview. And you can provide future prompts to explore this further. But as I say, if you just want a quick overview of what something is and you're researching, this is a really good first step. Obviously, you can get all this through Google, but it will take a lot of time. You can get this through different resources as well. But this just gives a synthesized view very quickly and pulls it all in one place. So yes, here we go, key features, which, yeah, this looks absolutely brilliant. And then here we go at the bottom. Before we delve deeper into each component of Prince2, it would be helpful to know your familiarity with project management concepts. Are you already versed in basics like project phases, risk management, or stakeholder? So look, as you can see, it's asking you questions. So we can define this further, we can get further into the details and just make sure we fully understand it. So there are two potential use cases. I don't want this video to go much further, but you can simply ask it any question that you have pertaining to project management, or you could ask it for suggestions on how you can structure your day and even things like that. So it's called Universal Primer. It's a custom GPT, not affiliated with it in any way, but it's something that I'm using to just basically explore new ideas and concepts. So I hope this video is useful. Any questions, comments, feedback, drop them down below. And with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.